3 United States military aircraft have landed at the Nigerian Air Force base in Maiduguri, Borno State. According to information shared by Sahel security expert, Brant Philip, on X on Saturday, 6 U.S. Air Force cargo planes arrived in West Africa between February 6 and 14, 2026, as part of what he described as preparations for a possible U.S.-backed offensive against the Islamic State West Africa Province, ISWAP, in Nigeria's northeast. Philip stated that all 6 aircraft initially stopped in Accra, Ghana, before 5 proceeded to Nigerian Air Force bases. Of the 5 that arrived in Nigeria, 1 C-17A aircraft landed at Kainji Airbase, while 1 C-130J-30 and 3 C-17A aircraft touched down at Maiduguri Airbase in Borno State. Philip wrote, between February 6 and 14, 6 U.S. Air Force cargo planes landed in West Africa, all of them stopping in Accra, Ghana first. Five of them landed later on in Nigerian Air Force bases, while the 6th aircraft only arrived today and will likely follow the route towards the northeast as well. One XC-17A to Kainji Airbase, 1 XC-130J-30 to Maiduguri Airbase, Borno, 3 XC-17A to Maiduguri Airbase, Borno, all of them left the respective bases on the same day they landed. Maiduguri Airbase is believed to be the primary operational hub for any coordinated support to the Nigerian military in its fight against ISWAP, which currently maintains a presence in several rural areas of Borno State. Meanwhile, The Wall Street Journal reported on February 10 that American and Nigerian officials disclosed plans for the United States to deploy about 200 troops to Nigeria. Neither the Nigerian military nor U.S. authorities have officially issued statements about the recent development.